Hey guys, just wanted to upload another video of a little neat trick I found. I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but I thought it was pretty neat. So, you know how the other cars used to have like a little slot here that you could put the key in to put the gear in drive or in neutral if you didn't have the car running? Well, this didn't have that, so I was always wondering, how do you put it in neutral if you don't have the key? Well, here's the way you do it. So, for some reason, say your fob didn't work or you had to get it towed and you couldn't turn the car on. Like right now, as you guys already know, the car is not on. And if you put your foot on the brake, it won't go in gear because you need to have the remote and put the accessory mode on, at least, I think. Well, there's a trick. So what you do, I don't know if you can really see it, but there's that this thing in here, little liner. Pull it out here. It just snaps in too. Just pull it, this little piece comes out. Then, I don't know if you guys can see it, kind of dark in here, but there's this little piece right here. It's a little cover. So all you do, you take a little flat screwdriver and you just pop it. Let's see if I can get it right here. Perfect. So it's this piece, just a little cover, comes off. And then in there, if you can see it, there's a little access point. So I just have this, and you just put it down in there, and there's a little lever. So you push it. Okay, now I'm pushing the brake. Let's see if I can do this. Can't do it with one hand. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see here. Let me see. I'm going to rest this here so you guys can see it. Okay, you push this down. And now, as you're pushing down the little mechanism in here, you're free to put it in any gear you want. And you let go, and it releases. Very neat. I guess if you'd have to use that if you have to get towed and your key fob didn't work for some reason, but it allowed you to put it in neutral without even having the key fob. I mean, no power is on or nothing, it's all off. So I thought that was pretty useful. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks again for all the support, you guys. Appreciate it. Have a good day.